Hello everyone, this is Jack from Saga Machinery, and today we are going to introduce our automatic setting thickness planner.
The maximum planning width for this machine is 630 mm.
On the table, we do a special treatment to mirror-like, and we fine grinding it to both anti-rust and for very smooth feeding. Cutting thickness of this machine can reaches 225 millimeters. And let us see how to set the parameters, how to set the thickness for the machine. For example, we want to change the thickness to 140. We press set, then type in 140, then press to start. And let us see of this machine. This is a emergency stop. This is a start for the main spindle, and this is a start and stop of feeding. And this knob is used for the speed adjusting. It can lower or raise the feeding speed. And without this European model safe electrical key, after you lock the machine, you can take the key off. And this is the raise of feeding table, and this is the lower of feeding table.
Step rise, step down. And we use magnetic scales to ensure an ultimate precision. Now let us open to see inside.
This is the whole mechanical system of the machine. This is the feeding rollers with teeth, and this teeth got a self-matching, and even the material thickness is different. It can self-adjusting, and all these feeding rollers are separate. And if we got some different thickness, it can self-matching the thickness. And this is the anti-jumping system. And here comes to our spiral cutters. That is the silent power, black hardened helical spiral cutters. And this anti-kickback, it will prevent the material from kickback when do transportation. And then we got two sharpened teeth feeding rollers. The two rollers give a very powerful feeding and program any shaking or movement. And then this is anti-jumping feet. Anti-jumping feet make sure the material transporting without any jumping, to make sure that the material is good alignment with the feeding table. On this machine, we got 4 cylinders, 1, 2 on the front, and also 2 cylinders on the back. So 4 cylinders gives a very stable support of the feeding tables to make sure the machine running without any vibrations. Back of machine without this emergency stop button. And if you got any emergency conditions, you can press it down to stop the machine. And let us open the cabinet fully electric, and you can see all the spare parts we are using is from Schneider European spare parts. This is the speed converter.
Let us see the performance of this machine.